Anyone can do this, absolutely anyone. In today's video, I'm going to practically show you step by step the trade secrets that people are not willing to share with you, except you join their WhatsApp group and you pay a token for it. This kind of business or side hustle, whether you're a trader, a student, a stay-at-home mom, an employer, an employee, whichever category you find yourself in, you can absolutely key into this side hustle or business, depending on how you see it, depending on what situation you find yourself. All right. Now, disclaimer here, I would like to say that I'm not a financial advisor. However, I share my personal finances, my experience, and how it has worked for me. So what you can do to encourage me right here is to like this video. Please give this video a massive thumbs up in order to encourage me to make more business content. At the time of this video, this information is functional, it's practical, it delivers, and it works well. All you need is a smartphone and internet. The fact that you found this video tells me that you have both. Now, what are you waiting for? Let's go right into the video. The very first link you're going to see in my description box is the link to the website, v2uexpress.com. Guys, click that link after watching this video because, again, in this video, I'm going to take you step by step into how to go about this trade, right?
When you click the link in my description, it will bring you straight to the login page where you're going to sign up with your full name, your username. I used Funke101. Your email address. Your phone number. Your home address. Then if you choose, you can put the referral name, which is Funke101. If not, you can bypass that. You set a password for yourself, something you can always remember. You can write it down somewhere or put it in a note in your phone. Then you have to click agree to the terms and conditions to show that you have agreed to their terms before you can be allowed to be signed up. Now you are expected to sign in with your username and your password. In this case, mine is Funke101 and I input my password. Then I click authentication, which it's authenticating right now. Okay, you would gain access to the page. It will welcome you to the page. At this point, you can browse to see what the old website looks like, what you can do and what not. So you continue to check. You'd see transaction, wallet summary, upgrade to affiliate, which is 2,000 naira, and you can also upgrade to a top user. Just check through. I was just surfing through to see, to show you guys there's a support team, so you can chat them one-on-one on WhatsApp. You can also buy airtime, buy data, pay electricity bill, pay your cable subscription. If you have bonus in your wallet, that is if you're an affiliate, or you are interested in bulk SMS, or you have referrals, all these will be right there. You can check them out. The transaction statistics is 0 at this point. You can see I have not dropped money in the account right now. I went to the left top corner to click on that icon, and I can see my dashboard, buy data, buy airtime, utility payments, fund your wallet. Either you fund with Paystack, payment gateway, automated transfer. I clicked automated transfer because that is easier for me, but you're going to pay 50 naira if you are transferring to them. Okay, so if you, for instance, you want to transfer 2k, you pay 2,050 naira. If you want to transfer 500, you pay 550 naira. So 500 naira will be deposited in your wallet, while 50 naira is for them. At this point, I made up my mind to pay to them, but I decided to check on the data available. This is for airtime. If you want to load airtime, the margin for airtime is not much. That's why we are focusing on the data plan. For MTN, you can see if you want to be a top user, API user, affiliate, and the validity is all 30 days validity. So you can make your options. There's Glo, there's Etisalat, there's Airtel, but we are focusing on MTN and Airtel because that is where the dough is. And we're particularly focusing on the 2 gig data plan because it really pays. Like seriously, it does pay. You can profit as much as 700 to 1,000 naira on it. So you will now choose the discount you want to offer your customer. I am not going to be an affiliate yet. I'm not going to use a top user yet, but I'll be a smart user, all right? So the plan is for me to load 2 gig, but I want to make sure I make my transfer before then, okay? So I'm going to get the account number, go transfer on my app, then come back and log in. At this point, I have logged in and I've refreshed the app. So I want to see how much is in my wallet. Voila, 450 naira. But at this point, I made a mistake. I sent 500 naira instead of 550 naira. So if I want to purchase data of 500, I have to add 50 naira. So I have to go back to add the money. Can you imagine? I went to add another 300 naira, which will make 250, right? Because they are removing another 50 naira, right? So I proceeded, and now I have 750 naira in my 700 naira in my account. 450 plus 250, that's 700 in my account. You can see that on the dashboard as my balance. Now this is the time to make my decision to get my data out. You guys will see exactly how I'm going to do it. I'm going to click on buy data. We're in here. I use an Airtel line right now, so I'm loading on Airtel. Airtel is 500 naira for 2 gig, while MTN has a discount. MTN is 490 naira for 2 gig. Now what network? Your phone number. Make sure you're setting about your phone number, don't make mistakes. Then the plan that you want to use. I am using the 2 gig corporate gifting plan, and that is what I'm clicking on right now. We have lots of options, so you can pick other options, but I am concentrating on the 2 gig because it's easily sellable, like very marketable. And then I click bypass number validator. I don't need a number validator. And then you see, are you sure you want to proceed to buy? I said yes. And now I'm proceeding. Successful. You purchased Airtel 2 gig 500 naira. That was it. I went to my account to check. They gave me a notification instantly, and look at it. You have been gifted 2 gig data from Concepts Dollar whatever, and that's it. This is why I said you can actually sell this to anybody. Just quickly come in here when the person pays you, buy the data for them, transfer to these accounts, they credit it immediately. And this is how you can start a data selling business. This is another business idea that can make you lots of money. You can sell up to 5k per day or even more. This is how to make 5,000 naira per day. It's another business as good as the POS business.
Now, if you're interested in the affiliate video tutorial, I would like to share that with you only if you drop it in the comment section that you want me to make a video on how to become an affiliate or a top user. Guys, if you do not drop that, I believe you're not interested in that. You just want to be a direct user or an earner. All right. Now, I have practically used this and it is working for me. I want you too to benefit from it. Like I said earlier, 2 gig on Airtel is 1,200 naira. On MTN is 1,500 naira for 30 days. Now, this video gives you an opportunity to buy this same 2 gig for just 500 naira or even 490 naira if it's MTN. So what are you waiting for? The question you're supposed to be asking me right here is, Funke, how do I get a customer? To get a customer, if you're a trader, you can tell people in your business environment, in your business neighborhood, that you now load data for people at a lesser rate than what they get directly from their phone. No one wants to spend too much right now, right? Everybody's taking advantage of each discount they get. So I can assure you that people will definitely want to patronize you when it comes to that. Now, if you are an employee, you can talk to your colleagues. I load data at a lesser price than what you can get directly on your phone. That 200 naira means a lot to them. Salary earners count their money very meticulously. I can assure you that, okay? So if you know what you're doing, you'll be the one selling to everyone in your office. Tell someone to tell someone. You know the referral code now. You know what that means. Tell someone to tell someone. Let this news spread as far as possible, right? Now, if you're a student, whoa, you even have a bigger chance, a bigger opportunity to sell in school. Lots of students want to save their stipends. You know what it means for you to save 200 naira, 300 naira, or whatever you for like a month? Most students you see use data a lot because they can't stop being on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. They cannot stop binge watching videos on the internet. So they need someone like you to make it cheaper for them. If, for instance, you're saying to your colleagues, or you're able to spread the tentacles and you're able to sell to even people who are not your colleagues by posting on your WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the easiest way to sell this kind of product. Just put it in the status, you sell data. I sell data cheaper than your network. I sell data cheaper than what you can get directly from your phone. Lots of people want to know how much you sell, and they want to know that you can do this for real. Okay. In fact, you too can create a WhatsApp group in which to collect a token. You don't necessarily have to be like me, where I have to like share this information for free, right? So you can make money off this, no matter how little. If, for instance, you get 20 people to register with you and you charge them 1,000 naira, guys, that's just 20,000 naira. And do you know in how many minutes you're gonna get this done? You're gonna like do this in like a day or two, and voila, you still make your money. And then you post for another group and like that. So don't even snooze. Like make money with this idea. Do not forget. Share this video. That is the best you can do for me to help my channel, to encourage me to keep posting more business content. When you share my videos and people get to watch them and like them, like it is very important, guys, that you like these videos because YouTube only promotes videos that are being thumbed up. All right. That aside, you can join groups on Facebook and advertise through the admin. Tell them that you can teach them how to sell data at a cheaper rate for a token. 1,000 naira, 500 naira. People don't really care about money like that, especially when they're going to get information that they will use for their business. Guys, they will key into it. Some might even share this information for 2K each, 3K each, and people will still pay for them. All right. This time, try to make money the fastest way as possible, the easiest way as possible. That is why I'm bringing you this information, guys. And today, my shout out of the week goes to InDesign. Thank you for joining this channel. We are so happy to have you as part of our community. May things fall in place for you. May you continue to soar high. And if you're a new subscriber, guys, you stand a chance for a weekly shout out. And YouTube notifies you the moment we post a video. That is if you turn on your notification bell. Do not forget to always turn on your notification bell so that YouTube will tell you exactly when we post a video. I'll see you guys in the next.